Forget VLOOKUP. Excel's function, XLOOKUP, is faster and more powerful. No more NA errors. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use XLOOKUP and why it's better. Let's go. XLOOKUP is the improved lookup function in Excel. Unlike VLOOKUP, it searches in any direction and doesn't need a column index. No more NA errors. Here's the syntax for XLOOKUP. Lookup value. This is the value you're searching for. In our case, for this example, we'll use the employee's ID. Comma separates the different parts of the function. Lookup array. This is the column or row where Excel will search for the lookup value. Here, it's the list of employee IDs. Comma separates the next argument. Return array. This is the column or row from which the function will return a value. In our case, it's the employee salaries. If not found, optional, defines what should be returned if no match is found. You can set it to show a custom message like not found instead of an error. Match mode, optional, specifies how Excel should match the value. You can use 0 for an exact match, default, -1 to find the closest smaller match, 1 to find the closest larger match, 2 for wildcard matching. Search mode, optional, controls the direction of the search. 1 searches from top to bottom, default. -1 searches from bottom to top. 2 enables binary search ascending. -2 enables binary search descending. Let's find an employee salary based on their employee ID. Let's start typing our XLOOKUP formula. Type the following formula into cell D2. Equals XLOOKUP, open parenthesis. Click on cell A2, our lookup value of employee ID. Add a comma. Now navigate to the second sheet in the workbook. In our example, this is the employees with salary sheet, and click column A. This is our lookup array or column, employee ID. Add a comma. In the second sheet, click on column D. This is our return data, i.e. salary. Now add another comma and input not found in quotes. Excel will return not found instead of an error if a lookup value is not found. Now close parenthesis and press enter. If you're using our sample workbook, the salary column in sheet 1 will now autofill the salary for all available employees from the employees with salary sheet. We can see in this example that employee ID 19, Jim, was not found, and there is no data for employee ID 19, Jim, in our second sheet. The reason the formula autofilled for the remaining salaries was because the table in our Excel workbook has been formatted as a table using styles, format as table. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for future videos and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us grow the channel and continue making more software tutorial videos for you. If you wish to support us, we also have Patreon now. Link in the comments below. Let us know in the comments below what you'll use XLOOKUP for or what you would like to learn next. As always, thanks for watching.